Hello everyone, this is Jacob with Nexus. I'm here at 200 Roger Williams Avenue, Unit 209, located in Rumford, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo, part of the Ross Commons complex. And we're going to begin our walkthrough of this condo right in the spacious living area you have here. So, of course, as I said before, it's very spacious in here. A wide open layout allows for lots of different furniture setups in here. Along with that, you've got a lot of outlets for any electronics you'd like to house in here. The entire unit houses a fresh, new coat of paint. It looks fantastic, and you'll notice it throughout the entire walkthrough. In every room, it looks great. With the living area, you do house a laminate wood flooring. It continues into the dining area, which we'll be looking at after this. Along with that, you also have a fireplace set up over here, and right above, a perfect spot for a television. But again, if not, you have lots of room to put a television somewhere else if need be. Yeah, just an awesome space overall. Okay. Next, let's check out the dining area / kitchen. So here's your dining space right here. Perfect spot for maybe a small or medium-sized dining set. Again, houses the same laminate wood flooring you saw in the living area. You have glass sliding doors over there that lead to a small deck. And again, it is connected to the kitchen area, which we'll take a look at now. So, kitchen area houses beautiful countertops that lead to this small bar table area. In case you don't want to use a dining set, you do have a bar table with some perfect space underneath for some stools if you choose to use that instead. You also have a tile backsplash along in this kitchen. And the kitchen area, along with the hallways, house a tile flooring too. Lots of kitchen cabinets all around, so kitchen storage should not be an issue whatsoever in here. And of course, the kitchen appliances include the stainless steel microwave. You also have the stainless steel 5-burner stove and oven, stainless steel dual bin sink, the stainless steel dishwasher, and last but not least is the stainless steel refrigerator. Very nice. All right, we're going to check out the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms next. First, we'll check out the first of 2 bathrooms, since this is right in the hallway. It is right around the corner. So you got the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. And you have the same tile flooring in the hallways and kitchen area, housed in here too, along with the small bowl sink and the mirror vanity right up above. Very nice and convenient. And before we check out the rest, real quick to point out, you do have in-unit laundry. It's right in this little closet space next to the bathroom. Just a great additional detail to have. Okay. Flipping around, we're going to check out the first of 2 bedrooms. This is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. It does house a carpet flooring. You have a spacious closet space in the corner over there, so plenty of bedroom storage. Recommended bed size for this bedroom would probably be a standard or a full bed set. Again, would probably be best suited for this room. You have lots of outlets in here too for any electronics. Fantastic. So that is the first bedroom. Right next to that, though, is the master bedroom. This is a very spacious, large bedroom. Houses a new laminate wood flooring throughout. Again, fresh coat of paint too. Should be able to fit a queen size bed in here. I'd be shocked if you couldn't, but standard, full, or queen are best suited for this bedroom. Not only that, but the master bedroom also houses a large walk-in closet. Very nice. And it does house the second bathroom. Again, tile flooring, wide open sink area, large mirror vanity up above. Some bathroom cabinets underneath the sink, and you have the stand-up shower in here. All right. So once again, this is 200 Roger Williams Avenue, Unit 209 in Rumford, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site, and of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you very much.